睇佢有咩講先，我而家
学了一堆防身术，真到用时，其实一个都使不出来。为什么？其实原因很简单，你虽然学了各种关节技，动作拆解的清清楚楚，但你忘了一点，所有这些技巧都离不开手部力量。现实中拧个瓶盖都费劲，几十斤的东西都提不稳，还敢指望学几招就能瞬间制敌？那是不可能的。没有基础力量做支撑，一切技巧都是纸上谈兵。以前练武都得练鹰爪、练提弹弓等等，来提升手部力量。现在简单了，学了一堆防。
我唔認同啊，即係話你話手部力量，我唔認同啊，真係唔認同。我話唔係你手部力量，而係你夠唔夠硬啫，係咪先？你嘅手指可唔可以刺穿對方？即係你用你嘅手指去刺穿對方嘅皮膚，然後就找到入去入邊，找到捏住佢，找到佢流血，係咪？你捏住咗佢咧，其實你唔使有咁多技巧，係咪先？你練一大堆技巧，我話啦，你練一大堆技巧冇用，因為你唔夠佢硬啊嘛，好似踢都係嘅，係咪先？When I was kicking Nick, you know, Nick was so hard. Yeah, Nick was so hard. Yeah, Nick was so hard that if I kicked him harder, it's only gonna hurt me more. That's what I'm saying, because he was harder than me. Durability is, you know, power isn't the foundation. Strength is not the foundation. It's durability. Durability is the foundation. 我而家練到大力開蓋手啊，知唔知你？而家開蓋都係揾我嚟開嘅，係咪先？真係㗎！我細佬同我阿媽都唔開蓋，而家得返我開蓋咋，知唔知啊？我真係練成咗大力開蓋手啊！以前係我細佬開蓋，而家變咗係我開蓋，you know？我而家變咗大力開蓋手，即係用手嚟開蓋，真係㗎！我係負責開蓋嘅咩？我係負責開蓋嘅。嗰10公斤米袋都係我負責倒嘅，係咪先？係我負責倒嘅，我負責拎嘅，係咪？而家都冇人拎重嘢㗎啦，除咗我之外啊。但係基礎唔係喺力量度，基礎係喺硬度嗰度。你硬過佢咧，就算佢力量大過你，佢都奈唔到你咩何嘅，知唔知啊？真係嘅，佢係無可奈何嘅。只要你硬過佢咧，就算佢力量大過你，佢都奈何唔到你，就好似呢支嘢咁樣啊！好似呢支嘢咁樣，呢支嘢係金屬嚟噶嘛，佢咁硬係咪先？就算你幾大力打佢啊，係你痛佢唔痛噶嘛，係咪先？就係咁簡單啫嘛！而家我好大力咁揼佢啊，我就算超大力咁揼佢啊，都係我痛佢唔痛啊！就算佢跌咗落地啊，佢都唔痛嘅，係咪？得我一個痛嘅啫嘛，係咪？啊！打到紅晒個拳頭啊！佢都冇事啊，知唔知啊？因為佢硬過我啊嘛，就係咁簡單。你有力量有鬼用咩？係咪先？力量都未必有用係咪？你唔夠佢硬啊嘛，咪冇用啦係咪？就算關節技都係噶，我點樣扭都扭唔到佢噶係咪？扭都扭唔到啊？點解？因為人哋唔痛，人哋冇事係咪先？就算真係俾你扭到啲關節，哎呀，真係俾你整到個 wrist lock 喎，喺又 fix 翻係咪？俾你整到個啱巴咯，哎呀！我膊頭咁啊，好似甩臼咁啊，唰咁啊，又整翻好係咪先？真係噶，你都係攞我冇辦法嘅咩？奈我唔何係咪先？就係奈我唔何，我話你整咗我咪 fix 翻佢啦，係咪？咪就係咯，你整咗佢 I can heal，你整我邊度 I can heal，you know？你整我邊度 I regenerate，你點整我都冇用嘅係咪先？I will just outlast you in the end of the day，you know？ I'm not just being stubborn. It's like I have the willpower, I have the healing factor, I can regenerate, you know. You cannot do anything to me, you know.